So let's just jump right in here. Big news with Loews. You have 6 hotels underway. What's so attractive about some of these new domestic markets that you're looking to grow in?
Abby, we're very excited about the development plans that we have for the next 2-3 years as we start to bring these 6 properties online. They're very much focused on 2 areas of concentration for us. One is the basic Loews Hotel, which is a property that will have 300, 400, or 500 rooms. And we have Loews Kansas City Hotel, currently under construction. Our other area of opportunity are what we call immersive destinations. This is where there are multiple demand generators, which allow the guests to find many reasons to stay with us. We have a joint venture currently in Orlando that has been in place for about 22 years. We have 5 existing hotels on the grounds of Universal Studios, and we have 3 more under construction. The first hotel which will open is called Aventura, 600 rooms, that will open in August of this year, 2018. And then we have 2 additional hotels that we've started construction on. Those are called Endless Summer. And then we've entered into a company out of Baltimore, the Tisch company. We're doing 2 hotels with them. One is in Arlington, Texas. It is a joint venture of the Tisch company, Loews Hotels, and the Texas Rangers, the baseball team. That will open in the summer of 2019. And then also with Tisch, but in St. Louis, we're partnering with the DeWitt family that own the St. Louis Cardinals. And there we're building a 200-room hotel that is directly across the street from where the St. Louis Cardinals play baseball.
Can you speak a little bit more about these partnerships and how they're playing into the growth of the Loews brand?
We took a step back and tried to figure out what our competitive advantages are in this industry. Obviously, we have competitors with an excess of 20 brands. We have 24 hotels. So it's really a unique spot we play in, and we realize that our competitive advantages are our history, having been in the industry since pre-1950. Our competitive advantages are the fact that we have money with our parent, Loews Corporation, having in excess of $5 billion of cash. Our competitive advantage is leveraging the fact that we are not only developers, but also operators. So normal developers, and it's just their business model, tend to develop and then want to sell and then want to develop again.
How is Loews keeping up with the changing face of the guest? Maybe a younger guest who's looking for more modern amenities, but still that little bit of luxury?
So we're always very much attuned to what the guest's needs are. We are always coming back and putting capital dollars into renovation projects. Perfect example, a 3-year, $50 million renovation of Loews Miami Beach Hotel that we finished about 18 months ago. So we are really understanding of the guest needs in terms of spaces to have food and beverage opportunities, to do your work on your device, to create rooms that are very much in demand in the thinking of travelers. And also we're creating the 6th hotel in Orlando, which is called Aventura, which is specifically designed for millennials. It's kind of cool, it's very modern looking, it's forward thinking. It's a 17-story building. The entire roof of the property is bars and restaurants. So this is what the traveler wants today. They don't want to be tied to their room. They want to go to a space where they can continue that quest for an experience. And that's what we're creating.
What do you think are some of the major messages coming out of this year's conference?
Well, Abby, this is my 27th year as the chair of the conference, and so I really have been honored to have been involved for so many years. My sense is that what will come out of, as we reflect in a couple weeks about the 2018 conference, is that our industry will continue to evolve, it'll continue to grow, it'll continue to mature. And I think that what you're seeing is that as the industry does mature, we're going to face the same issues that other kinds of businesses face, but we're in the lodging industry. And there is a sense of commitment, there's a sense of purpose, there's a sense of community that I really feel is endemic to what we do for a living.
First, from an industry perspective, business is good. People are generally pleased with the way things have gone. They expected the cycle that is still going on and going pretty strong to have ended 2 or 3 years ago. And everyone's a bit, I want to say like a turtle in a shell waiting for it to end, but it doesn't seem to be ending, and I think people are embracing that.